So little trick of the daytime, just putting in a new mortise lock into this old door, but the latch is the wrong way around. So when you close it, obviously the lock is not in the right position. It needs to be inside the style of the door, or the door frame. But this needs to be the other way around. So a lot of the times these things are reversible. So let me show you what I mean. So there are two little screws here. Take that one out, and here, without stripping them, and here, and without losing them. Just take that one out there. Magnetised screwdrivers always help. Then we take the body off, and what we need to do is flip. You can take this cover off. Just make sure when you do this, you remember where everything goes. It's quite an important thing. And we have to pull this in all the way, flip it over, and set it back in place. And as you can see, that spring has to go behind the little lug there. Then, when you push it back, this piece sits over the spindle holder of the handle itself, and then that sits in there, that goes there, that sits back in there, and then that ever so gently sits back over the top. Give it a test, make sure it retracts, and then replace these screws. And now, as you can see, when it comes in, just imagine it's in the right spot. It gets to the door jamb and hits the striker. The angle part here will retract in when the lock hits the striker. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Bye for now. Here's one I prepared earlier. So if you have another way or know of another method of how to do this, please feel free to leave a comment below.